SEO or search engine optimization involves various strategies beyond just website enhancements to boost your visibility in relevant searches on platforms like Google. In this class, we'll uncover what SEO actually means and explain the basics in simple, everyday terms. You'll learn the key ideas to start building on SEO strategy for your project, like choosing the right keywords and creating content people and Google love. Let's get a move on. The search engine goes through billions of pages, evaluates their relevance and quality, and then ranks them in a list of results called SERPs, Search Engine Results Pages. SEO works by helping search engines understand the value and relevance of your website, increasing the likelihood that your content will show up in those relevant searches. How SEO aligns with search engines. In the previous class, we delved into the technical aspects of search engines, concentrating on the intricate processes of crawling, where search engines systematically browse the website to discover new and updated content, indexing, which involves organizing and storing this discovered content to facilitate quick retrieval, and ranking, the method of ordering search results based on relevance and authority to provide users with the most useful information. Now, let's focus on how SEO utilizes these processes to improve visibility. For search engines to include your website in results, they must first crawl and index it. Crawling involves scanning your site to collect information, whilst indexing ensures that the data collected is organized and stored. However, the real challenge lies in ranking. This is where search engine algorithms come into play. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors such as keywords usage, content quality, and the presence of backlinks to determine the best results for a given query. For example, Google's PageRank algorithm analyzes the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to a page to evaluate its authority. Alongside this, search engines now also factor in user experience metrics like Core Web Vitals, which measure how quickly a page loads, how stable its visuals are, and how responsive it is to user interactions. SEO strategies optimize these elements to ensure search engines rank your content highly. Why is SEO crucial for your website? The majority of Google's website traffic originates from search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. While social media platforms can also bring some visitors to your site, search engines remain the primary tool for discovering information online. To ensure people find your website when they search for products, services, or valuable content, implementing SEO is crucial. Imagine your website as a destination, like a house on a map. Search engines serve as the main roads or even major highways that guide your people to your location. If search engines are unable to find your website or access its content for display in search results, you miss out on valuable opportunities to connect with your target audience and attract meaningful traffic. What are keywords in SEO? When people use a search engine, they enter specific words or phrases to look for information. These are called keywords, and they act as a link between what users want and the content on your website. Keywords are vital in SEO because they allow search engines to determine whether your site is relevant to a particular search query. To optimize your content effectively, you need to identify the terms and phrases your audience uses. By integrating these keywords naturally into your text, titles, and descriptions, you increase the likelihood of search engines ranking your website higher. For example, if someone searches for comfortable running shoes, Websites that include this phrase in their headings and content are more likely to appear at the top of the search results. Do all websites have SEO? Well, not every website is optimized for SEO without some modifications. Sometimes these changes require altering the foundation of the website and rebuilding it entirely. We must recognize that Google, the largest search engine, frequently updates every 6 months. Your web project should be adaptable to these changes to avoid significant setbacks. If you have an existing project, you possess something very valuable: the data it generates, which can guide you in making more informed decisions and implementing all the necessary SEO techniques. Some sites, particularly those with outdated structures or technologies, may require changes to become SEO friendly. For instance, older websites built entirely with Flash technology cannot be optimized because search engines cannot read or index Flash content effectively.
I'm gonna kill myself! Wow. I'm going to kill myself, and it's your fault!
In such cases, it is often better to rebuild the website from the ground up with modern tools that meet SEO standards. Websites created using platforms like WordPress, on the other hand, provide an excellent foundation for SEO. WordPress allows for easy integration of tools and plugins that simplify tasks such as adding metadata, improving site speed, and creating optimized content. By using the right platform and tools, you can ensure that your site meets the technical requirements needed for effective SEO. Having a well-structured website built with SEO in mind from the start is essential for achieving good search engine rankings and connecting with your audience. By focusing on modern practices and optimizing your content, your website can achieve long-term success in the competitive digital space. What are the 4 types of SEO? There are 4 main types of SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing content and keywords within your site. Off-page SEO builds authority through backlinks. Technical SEO improves site performance, crawling, and indexing. And lastly, local SEO targets geographically relevant searches to attract nearby users. On-page SEO, content and its optimization. On-page SEO is all about what you can control on your website. The most crucial aspect of on-page SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the terms your audience types into search engines. By identifying the right keywords and naturally incorporating them into your content, headings, and meta descriptions, you signal to search engines that your page is relevant. Meta descriptions are short summaries that appear below your website title on the SERPs. Though not a direct ranking factor, they play a significant role in encouraging users to click on your page. Another essential part of on-page SEO is schema markup, a type of structured data that allows search engines to understand your content better. For example, adding schema to a recipe or product page can help display richer information like reviews, prices, or preparation time to the SERPs. Beyond this, on-page SEO focuses on making content engaging, clear, and valuable for users. Search engines reward content that meets user intent and answers questions comprehensively. Additionally, improving internal links and ensuring local site navigation enhances the overall structure of your content, contributing to a stronger site architecture. Off-page SEO, building trust and authority. If on-page SEO focuses on your site itself, off-page SEO works outside your site to build its authority. Search engines consider your website more credible when other sites link back to it. These links, known as backlinks, act as votes of confidence that tell search engines your content is trustworthy. Backlinks come in many forms: a news website referencing your blog or an industry site linking to your resource demonstrates that your content is valuable. However, not all backlinks are equal. Links from authoritative websites carry more weight than links from lesser-known sites. Building high-quality backlinks takes time and effort, but it is one of the most powerful ways to improve SEO. Social media also contributes to off-page SEO. While search engines don't directly use social signals to rank pages, sharing your content on social media helps to increase its visibility and the chances of gaining backlinks. Consistent promotion and collaboration with trusted sources strengthen your site's reputation. Technical SEO. Technical SEO ensures your website performs well and is easy for search engines to access. At its core, technical SEO focuses on improving your site architecture, making it easier for search engines to crawl and index your pages. A well-organized site allows both search engines and users to quickly find content. Search engines like Google rely on systems such as PageRank to evaluate the quality and importance of pages based on links and structure. PageRank assigns a score to web pages based on the number and quality of backlinks pointing to them. The idea is simple. Pages with more high-quality links are often seen as more valuable and are ranked higher in search results. However, PageRank is not the only factor influencing rankings. Search engines use complex algorithms that consider a variety of elements, such as content relevance, site speed, and mobile usability. Sites with strong technical SEO, including clean navigation, optimized site architecture, and fast load times, make it easier for algorithms to process and rank their content. Optimizing technical aspects ensures that search engines can not only find and assess your site efficiently, but also deliver it as a top result for relevant searches. At the same time, it improves user experience, which is another key factor in search engine rankings. Websites that combine strong technical foundations with high quality content and links have the best chance of achieving long-term SEO success. Another key factor of technical SEO is site performance. Google measures this using core web vitals, which include page load speed, visual stability, and interactivity. For example, reducing image sizes, fixing broken links, and improving code efficiency all contribute to a faster, smoother user experience. Pages that load slowly or have errors can harm your rankings. Are you starting a business? Do you have a website that you're working on and you're not sure how to improve it and get people to visit? Well, we have just the course for you. Go to Rojas Creators and you can find an SEO course which can help you build up your audience and start making money. Let's get a move on. Additionally, implementing proper schema markup helps search engines display your content in enhanced ways, such as featured snippets or rich results. These SERP features improve visibility and encourage more clicks, providing an edge over competitors. Using the right SEO strategies can help your business reach international markets. If you want to rank in English-speaking countries, focus on creating content in English. Relying on plugins for translation of web pages no longer works and won't help your rankings in 2025. It's best to focus on one international market at a time. This allows you to concentrate fully on international SEO. Entering one market is also cheaper than entering several at once. So if you're on a budget, pick the location with the best potential to rank. Instead, focus on modern SEO methods like local SEO and link building, adding internal links to connect pages on your site, always using a site architecture. Get quality backlinks from trusted sources and try guest blogging to reach new audiences. Also, use tools like Schema to improve your local search results and create clear landing pages for local markets. Want to grow locally? Let's discuss 4 best ways to use local SEO to boost your business. Local search engine optimization. Local SEO focuses on improving your website's visibility for searches with geographical intent. This is particularly important for businesses that rely on local customers. By optimizing for local search terms such as best bakery near me, your business can attract nearby users who are effectively looking for products or services that you offer. One of the most powerful tools on local SEO is the Google Business Profile. By claiming and optimizing your business profile, you can appear in local packs, maps, and relevant search results. Additionally, creating location-specific content and collecting reviews from satisfied customers further strengthen your local SEO strategy and visibility. To fully understand how local SEO can transform your business, we offer a local SEO course. In this course, we go deeper into the strategies and tools you can use to dominate local search. From optimizing your website structure to leveraging maps, reviews, and directories, you'll gain a practical understanding of how to attract and engage your local audience effectively. How is SEO different from SEM and PPC? SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, and PPC, pay per click, are often confused, but they work differently. PPC is a paid strategy where you pay each time someone clicks your ad. It delivers fast results, ideal for short-term campaigns. For example, if your keyword is best podcast microphone and 10 paid ads appear, your website may rank below them organically. In SEM, paid ads and organic growth combine for more aggressive approach. SEO focuses on organic traffic. It takes time but builds long-term results without constant spending. If a competitive keyword like best podcast microphone has too many paid results, targeting less competitive terms like top 5 podcast microphones can help you rank higher, often on the first page. If you're a small business or entrepreneur and can't invest heavily in PPC ads, SEO is your solution. Focus on good keyword research, optimized web architecture, and creating content that meets user intent. Studies show that 68% of online experiences start with search engine, and 76% of smartphone users searching for local services visit a business within a day. With on-page SEO, backlinks, and improved site performance, you can make it easier for search engines to connect your audience with your content. Unlike PPC, SEO keeps working for you long-term, building consistent traffic and engagement. SEO project workflow. How to do SEO the right way. A good SEO strategy takes several steps and each project may vary. Here's a simple breakdown of the usual processes. Keyword research and site structure. The first step is finding the right key words. These are the words or phrases people use when searching for your content. Once you know what keywords to target, you plan how your website will be organized. Site structure. A site ready for SEO must be fast, easy to navigate, and well designed to give users a good experience. Website updates and content creation. After finding keywords, you update or build your website to target them. This step includes creating high quality original content like blog posts, images, videos, and links that help visitors find what they need. The goal is to provide value and keep users on your site. Ongoing content creation. SEO isn't a one-time task. You need to regularly add new content to your website. This helps strengthen your main keywords and lets you target new ones to attract more visitors. Building links and social media visits. Links from other websites, backlinks, show search engines that your website is trustworthy and valuable. Sharing your content on social media also helps bring in visitors and builds awareness. Measure and adjust. SEO requires constant monitoring. Use tools to check your progress, like how many visitors you get, where you rank for keywords, and how users behave on your site. Based on these results, you adjust your strategy to keep improving. By following these steps, you can create a strong SEO strategy that brings long-term success. How to set goals for your SEO strategy. While it may seem time-consuming to set goals, measuring them can help you improve your SEO in the long term. So, what metrics should you track to see progress? When setting goals and KPIs, it's important to be realistic. If you're starting from scratch and you're just beginning to use SEO properly, then be modest in your numbers, but also aim high. Here are some examples of SEO goals to help you set meaningful and relevant objectives to your business or website. Move 50% of your top 20 keywords to the first page of Google within 9 months. This goal focuses on keyword ranking. Increase your SEO market share from 3% to 5% in the next financial year. This goal focuses on growing market share. How to set goals for different types of businesses. The focus of your goals will vary depending on whether your business is transactional or informational. If your business is transactional and includes e-commerce, you'll want to set goals around tracking sales and lead conversations. How do beginners do SEO? SEO has become now more accessible to everyone as never in the past. Even beginners with tools like Google Search Console and beginner-friendly plugins guiding optimization. With the rise of voice search, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, SEO continues to adapt, offering new opportunities to improve content visibility in search results. Search engines drive traffic that is vital to the success or failure of any organization, business, or institution. SEO, search engine optimization, can provide visibility, revenue, and relevance unmatched by other marketing channels. SEO often delivers a higher return on investment, ROI, than traditional marketing and advertising. It is advisable to invest in it consistently to maintain top positions on Google. SEO involves various aspects from the content and keywords on your website to the way other sites link back to it. While SEO used to focus primarily on ensuring a site's structure was understandable for search engines, growing online competition has made SEO increasingly challenging. Importantly, SEO is not just about optimizing for search engines, but also for people. High quality content that is relevant and actively sought by users is critical. Search engines aim to deliver the best results to users, so keeping their needs in mind is essential for SEO success. Well, you made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. If you want to find out more about SEO, we have a full playlist of our other classes. Be sure to check them out and enjoy the rest of this course. Goodbye.